A lot of people think that a travel sketchbook is just about drawing, but I think it does a lot more than that. It changes the way you travel, and over time it will build your confidence and your own artistic style. I've been keeping travel sketchbook for 40 years now, and I have filled 25 of them, and this is what I want to talk about today. What a travel sketchbook is. When people hear travel sketchbook, they often think it means sitting on location and making a full watercolor paint. Sometimes it can be that, and I've done that. But a travel sketchbook can also be much simpler. It can be quick sketches, a few notes, color tests, tickets, maps, little details, or pages you make after the trip. And this is something I do a lot of time, if not every time. It's not about making perfect pages. It's about paying attention and keeping a personal experience of your trip. Reason 1, it helps you to be more present. The first reason to keep a travel sketchbook is that it helps you to pay attention to the moment, either during the trip or after the trip. When you draw something, even quickly, you have to slow down to really look at what you are drawing. And I promise you will see things that you don't see if you don't draw it. You look more carefully, you notice more, you enjoy the moment more. Instead of moving quickly from one spot to another, you have to slow down, look carefully, take the time to draw. And yes, I know when you're traveling with people, it's not always easy to do that. This is why I can take photos or make very quick sketches and finish the sketchbook once I'm back home in the comfort of my studio. So I don't bother anyone waiting for me that I have finished my drawing. Reason 2, it helps you to remember more deeply. A sketchbook helps you remember a trip in a deeper way than photos. Because, let's be honest, you never print your photos once you're back from your trip. At least I don't. And it's not just what a place looked like, but what caught your eye, what you noticed, and how it felt to be there. Often the strongest memories are not the big famous sights. They are the small things that you lived, truly lived, because you were drawing them. A cafe table, a street corner, a window, a post sign, a ticket, a flower. Everything that is catching your eye. Those are the things a sketchbook helps you keep. Reason 3, it builds confidence. The third reason is confidence. First, drawing confidence. You will learn to make imperfect pages. You will learn to let it go. You will learn not to wait for the perfect conditions. But it can also build self-confidence. Because at first, when you begin to draw on location with people around you, it can be a bit scary. But the more you do it, the more comfortable you'll be with it. You feel more easy to make things your way without thinking of people watching you. Reason 4, it helps you to find your own style. The fourth reason is artistic style. A travel sketchbook can help you find your style over time. Bit by bit, you will begin to see patterns, things you are repeating over and over, color combinations, techniques. This is why I regularly change the mediums I take with me on a travel sketchbook, because I don't want to get too comfortable in the same tools, the same mediums all over. And this is how you grow your style, is by changing the mediums, changing the techniques, and trying new things, because after all, it's just paper. No big deal if it's a page you don't like. You just flip the page and begin a new one. Reason 5, it makes your travel more enjoyable. The 5th reason is that it makes your travel richer. A sketchbook adds another layer to the trip. Besides preparing it, living it, and remembering it, the sketchbook, the travel sketchbook, is tying everything together. It can begin before the trip when you prepare. It can be during the trip when you draw on location, and it can be after the trip when you finish it at home, or it can be the 3 of them all together. So in a way, the sketchbook makes a trip last longer. Reason 6, it becomes a record of your life. The 6th reason is that it becomes a personal archive. You can write a bit or a lot in your travel sketchbook. You can even make it journal style and write down your personal reflections during the trip. It can be drawing only, it can be pasted papers, it can be a mix of everything. There is no rule here except having fun and keeping the memory of this specific travel. When you look back at your travel sketchbooks, you do not just see places. You see different years of your life. You see what you noticed then. You see how your confidence changed, and you see how your style changed. It becomes more than a sketchbook. It becomes a record of how you saw the world and how you see it today. Encouragement to start. I want to say this clearly. You don't need to know how to draw to begin a travel sketchbook. You do not need perfect supplies. You do not need a big trip. You do not need to draw everything on location. You just need to begin. Keep it simple, 1 page at a time. 1 page is enough. 1 small trip is enough, even a trip to your own city. It forces you to see things differently. And if you want support to help you begin your travel sketchbook practice, this is what I share in the Travel Sketchbook Club on Patreon. Each month, I share a full sketchbook tour that you have never seen before, a full page tutorial, and a behind-the-scenes video. And all of this is meant to help you, support you in your travel sketchbook practice. So if you want help building a joyful and consistent practice, you can join me here. Start simple, start with what you have, and let the sketchbook grow with you. Thanks for watching.